Crane. Okay. Okay. My name is Jim. This is my friend Natalia. Natasha?
No.
Natalia. Okay. Crane. Okay. There we go. So we did our, this is week 1 of our American Samba. And this is the bronze level. So this is from the beginning. So as John says, hero. Sorry.
Zero to hero.
To hero, that's right. All right. So what we did is what we call a reverse basic. So the leader starting with his left foot free. Lady's going to start with her right foot free. And we did a 1, up 2, 1, up 2, 1, up 2, 1, up 2. We also did what we call a natural basic, which is the opposite, where the right foot for the leader, left foot for the lady. There you go. And this is going to come later on, but I wanted you to at least get a taste of it. So we do 1, up 2, 1, up 2, 1, up 2, and 1, up 2. We quickly bypassed some of the other steps, but we got right into what we call a whisk, which is like a 5th position break. This is the American style, so we're not going straight back. We're actually doing more to the side on this step. So we have 1, up 2, 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 1, up 2. Then what we did is we did the underarm turn for the follower and the leader. So we did 1, up 2, 1, up 2, 1, up 2, release, back break, both the turn, good. Then the leader's part, going into his vocal turn. And then we went into our promenade position for our Samba Walk. So let's do that again. So we have 1, up 2, 1, up 2. We did forward with a slip, switch, and slip, good. And slip, and slip, and slip. And when the right foot is free, you can step forward and close. And that's how we did it. Yay! Thank you. Thank you guys. Week 2.